Hi guys, today I'm going to be making coffee. First of all, I've got, this is a coffee machine. Now I'll select one of my drinks, which was iced latte. Place 6 to 8 cubes into your glass, ice cubes. Yeah, I've already done that, so, okay. Get one, okay. Okay, now I'm brewing it. I'll stand back a little.
It's making right now.
Yeah, making coffee.
Where is it making from?
It's from the top, somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Can't see it.
I'm too short to see anything.
You can see. Like this top. Anyways. The one thing I hate about this, you know?
The milk.
No, that's not. The fact that it makes these weird noises.
That glass is filled up with milk.
Okay, now it's gonna make the coffee.
Here comes the coffee.
Okay, here's yeah, it's coming from. Okay. Oh, it's making like a gradient
little coffee.
No, you'll see it. You'll see it. Trust me. Okay. Enjoy. Thank you, machine.
Thank you, ugly machine. You killed us with the milk. You scared us.
Okay, here it's now it's done. And now we'll enjoy it. Hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.